Oh, now what? Do I have to get it for you? Careful. You don't want to hit yourself. No, careful. Are you making music? Oh, wow, that's a good song.
The thing about it is, even when you say, "Can I talk to you for a moment?" if the person says, "I don't have anything to say to you," then you're still forcing yourself.
No, don't drop it.
Then, they got into words, and he called her a pig. She said he called her a pig, and then she called him a communist a-hole. But it's like, you said she's when he's in a public space.
What are you doing? You making a song? Are you saying feed me, feed me, feed me? More.